Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the HiKiNS brand, their cordless rechargeable electric spin scrubber cleaning brush with adjustable extension handle. This gets excellent Amazon reviews, and it is IPX7 the head, so it's waterproof, and that's important when you're cleaning using water and soap. The handlebar can be split into 3 sections, allowing you to use just 2 or all 3 for the perfect length, anywhere from 26 to 45 inches to fit any task. This has a extended battery life for up to 90 minutes of use, more than enough time to tackle your bathroom, kitchen, and tile grout with ease on a single charge. So this is chargeable, lithium-ion battery, and what I like, this company does provide the AC adapter, the DC with the USB-A, and the cable USB-A to C to charge it. A lot of companies don't do that anymore, so that's nice that they actually provide that. So we're going to be showing this thing. I'm going to be cleaning a couple things in my house, but these generally help you so that you don't have to be breaking your back, as you can actually scrub your tile grouts and the wheels of your car and your shower stalls, anything. And they have a lot of torque to them. They're geared down motors. So we're going to be showing you how to charge this and how to set up and how to use it. And it comes with a nicely written instruction booklet also. Charging is very simple. On the base right here there is a silicone cover, and you just charge it with the USB-C end, and you can see that it has a red LED right there. This is the included adapter with the USB-A, and all you do is wait for that to turn green, and it'll take about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it. And all the heads are the same. They're really simple to install. You can see it has the necessary bracket on there, the openings, and there's a little notch there and there, matching the notch there and there. So once you line that up, like that, you push, and it locks in place just like that. And removing, you just pull, and it comes out. There is a hanging hook included, so that you could hang this on a bar that might be in your closet or in your shower area, and that's nice so that you can keep it out of the way. You can also charge it while it's hanging also quite easily. And there the LED went to green, letting me know that it's fully charged. Make sure that you close the silicone tab when you're using the product to keep water and dirt out. So putting the sections together is really easy. You just push and it locks it in place, and you hit the button that allows you to remove it, just like that. Then you can see that you have the ability to ratchet this and get different heights, which is really nice. And then here's the final attachment to the top. You just push and it'll click in place just like that. Then you have your power switch right here. Hit that, and now you have it rotating, ready for you to push. You also have a speed adjustment, so it's on, low, high, and then off. And there's one of the attachments, just an example. So here I'm going to use the scrubber for my utility sink, and I just have one section on there because I'm standing able to do this. And that's it. And you let the tool do the work, and it's nice and balanced, and it just scrubs beautifully. And when you're done, if you want, you could just rinse the head, switch it on, just like that. Then you can shake it out and let it air dry, take it off and let it air dry, and you're all ready to use it again. And now I have all the extension pieces on here, and I'm going to do my grout. And you can see that I've got it extended, so I could be standing doing this. So after testing, what do I think about the HiKiNS brand, their cordless rechargeable electric spin scrubber cleaning brush with adjustable extension handle? I can see why this thing gets good reviews. It's really high quality. beautiful finish on it. As I demonstrated, this thing really cleans well and works well. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.